just click
Hello
on
friends,
edit
today
next to
I'll show you how
username
to
option
change the shape color.
and
I'll just
enter here
it's,
your
very
username.
simple. First of all, you can go to this tool, rectangle tool. Then you
So
can
make
select
sure the
what type
username is available.
of shape you need. If you want to
So when it's
use
available, click on
circle,
save changes.
then you can just drag and drop here. Then if you want to change the color,
And here you can see I've successfully changed my Facebook username. If you'd like to see more helpful videos,
then
please
you
check
can
the links in
change
descriptions. If
everything
this
from
video
here.
helped you, give a thumbs up and
So
please
let's
consider
start again
subscribe
from
to how to do
scratch.
it. Thank you for watching.
Filter color, okay. Just a minute. If you now want to change the color, then double click here, then you can click the fill color, then select as you want, then it is changed. If you want like a new shape like polygon, okay, this is the by default color. Now you can change, click, then change. So pretty easy. Thank you for the watching. Let me know if you have any query and if you have any problem, just comment on YouTube. I'll take care of everything. Thank you for the watching.